Welcome to my YouTube channel BI Visual Mastery. Today I am gonna talk about an introduction to a business intelligence. BI professionals are the key to unlocking benefits for business, which is one of the reason they are in such high demand. Now in today's video, we will see the overview of the business intelligence, key components of a business intelligence, how business intelligence works, and technical and professional skills required for the business intelligence. Also, we will see the challenges for a business intelligence. Now, let's start one by one. The first of all, we will see the ideal definition of a business intelligence. Business intelligence responsible for automating processes and information channels in order to transform relevant data into actionable insights that are easily available to decision makers. The key components of a BI contains various aspects of collecting, processing, analyzing, and presenting data to support informed decision making within an organization. These components typically includes the data collection, data warehouse, data integration, ETL process, data visualization and reporting tools, and data storytelling. Now, data is a foundation of a business intelligence. BI systems gather data from various sources, including internal databases, external data feeds, spreadsheets, and cloud applications. These data sources provide the raw material for analysis and reporting. Data warehousing is a central component of business intelligence. It involves storage and management of data in a structured and organized manner. Data integration is a process of collecting data from diverse sources and transforming it into a unified format. This ensures data consistency and accuracy for analysis. Extract, transform, and load is a type of a data pipeline that enables data to be gathered and brought into a data warehouse or other unified destination system. Business intelligence reporting tools allows users to create and distribute reports and dashboards. These tools help to transform complex data into easily understandable charts, graphs, and visual representations, allowing decision makers to monitor trends and performance. Data storytelling is art of using data, pictures, and a good explanation to tell a strong story that helps people to understand what the data means and why it's important. Data storytelling is important because it helps people see the meaning in the data and take action based on it. These components form the foundation of business intelligence system and support data driven decision making and improve overall business performance. Now let's see how business intelligence works. Here are four most important steps in a business intelligence process. The first one is a gather requirements about the business problem from stakeholders, team members, and partners. The next important step is the retrieve, organize, and interpret data. Retrieving data is like a finding and cleaning up information. Organizing data is like organizing and shaping it nicely. And interpreting data is like understanding and explaining what it all means. The next step is the create visualizations and dashboards and reports from whatever data you collected. After that, present and communicate insights, whatever you found from this data in front of a stakeholders. This will help them to make decisions. Now let's see the technical and professional skills required for business intelligence. Some of the technical skills includes manage large data sets. When you work as a business intelligence, then we have to work with a large amount of data. The next one is the write a SQL queries and create and present dashboards in front of stakeholders. Professional skills required for business intelligence like attention to detail, communicate with others. In addition to technical and organizational skills, you will need to practice effective communication skills. The next one is a client or the stakeholder management. As a business professional, we have to closely work with the stakeholders, understand the actual business problem, and find the solution. Here are some challenges that business intelligence professional face in his journey. Business intelligence is a crucial for organizations to make informed decisions, but it does come with its share of challenges. Here are some common challenges in BI and potential solutions. The first challenge is the data quality and integration. Inconsistent, incomplete, or inaccurate data from various sources can create difficulty in BI process. The solution for this problem is to invest in data cleaning, transformation, and integration tools to ensure data accuracy and consistency, implement data governance, and establish data quality standards. The next one is the data security and privacy. Protecting sensitive data is one of the challenge for the business intelligence. The solution for this problem is employ robust data security measures, encryptions, and access controls. The next challenge is the data volume and scalability. Managing and processing large volume of data can difficult to BI infrastructure. The solution for this problem to implement scalable storage and processing solutions such as the data warehouses, cloud-based platforms, and the distributed computing frameworks. The next challenge is the lack of skilled personnel. Shortage of a business intelligence and data analytics experts. Finding skilled BI professionals can be difficult. To overcome this problem, we can train the existing staff or hire the skilled personnel. Now, next one is the data governance and compliance. Maintaining data governance and compliance with regulations can be complex. The solution for this problem is to establish clear data governance policies and workflows. A successful BI implementation requires a combination of technology, processes, and people. It's essential to have a well defined BI strategy that align with your organization's goals and continuously adapt to evolving business needs and technological advancement. In conclusion, business intelligence is a difficult process. It requires the 360-degree view of organizations, thoughtful preparations to make a better decisions, and a BI professionals continually monitor processes and systems to determine if it's necessary to make updates for greater efficiency and optimizations. That's it guys for today's video. Now let's move forward to the thought of the day. Determination is the commitment to achieve your goals regardless of the challenges you might experience. I hope today you have learned something new that you can implement in your BI journey. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much. That's all from my side. See you in the next video.